Look at my little pumpkins. I got them all in here. They don't want to show their faces. I got these 2 towels. They don't like the white, which I can understand. But that was the only way I could get them to show their new feathers. Look at them. I wish I could get them to show their faces, but they're shy. Let me see if I can. They're like pooping everywhere, as you guys can see. Here's one. Here's one. Do you want to say hi? You pooping in my towel? Hi. The other one is a little bit younger, I think. And he's hiding his face. And I don't want to mess with him too much. Because I don't want to. Hey, hi. He's going to try to come. Oh, 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 oh. He's trying to. Oh, there he goes. He's trying to go hiding. I have to make sure I get him. He doesn't like the light. So he tries to hide from it. I think he likes me. Look at I love you too. I love you too. I love